we're super excited about another listing we have here in Pleasanton. Pleasanton, California is known for being a small town where you can raise your family within 5-mile radius. Within 5 miles, you have hospitals, excellent schools, libraries, parks, your downtown, and it's such an amazing place to raise a family.
Welcome home to 1874 Brooktree Way in Pleasanton. This beautiful single family in Pleasanton is ideally located close to schools, parks, and downtown Pleasanton. 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom, all on one floor. An expanded family room makes this an ideal floor plan for a family. There's a separate living, dining, and family room, along with a 2-car attached garage. A very good-sized lot that is perfect for entertaining.
大家好，这里是 Oberoi 房屋销售团队。我们非常高兴地向您隆重推出在 Pleasanton 市新上市的独立屋。这栋1层楼面的精品房屋位于优雅舒适的生活小区，周边有美丽的公园、优秀的学校及日常生活离不开的购物商场及餐馆。方圆5英里内所需的生活配备设施应有尽有，是抚养家庭享受生活高品质的极佳选择。欢迎来参观我们的开放屋，我们到时见。